What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making, or we already made it, we're going to be testing this. This is a 12-volt battery made with 8 AA batteries, all taped together in series, which adds up to 12 volts. Now, we have this little track thing made out of an audio cable, and it's tied down to this table. And we have this helicopter on the track. Now, we have these two cables, one red and one blue, and we're going to be connecting them to the helicopter. Now this is going to be sick. So make sure you like and subscribe. Now I'm going to connect the cables. So essentially, your average everyday car battery, it's made out of a different chemical, but it is indeed 12 volts. So essentially, I'm putting a car battery on a remote control helicopter motor. Is that not insane or what? Now, we're going to test this out. I'm not sure if I can get this to stay up correctly, but we're going to try. Alright. 3, 2, 1. That's insane. That was literally insane. Oh my gosh. Let's do it again. Alright. Holy crap, that motor is getting insanely hot. It is not supposed to run at 12 volts. Oh my gosh. That is insane. Let's do it again. Holy crap. Did you guys see that? I wish I had like a thermal camera so that I could like show you guys the amount of heat that's coming out of this thing. It is absolutely insane. Right now I got my lights up there running, that's why it's like purple. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe for more content. See you dudes later.